Okay, here we are on site. Got all my wall board up. I'm going to be installing today FlowFX Universal Bonding Drain Kit. So this is made for PVC. This is an old 3-piece drain, so instead of jackhammering all this out and redoing it, I'm just going to leave it in. So I saved the old bolts for this and so on. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to vacuum this up, clean it up. I'm going to show you step by step how I'm going to install this to adapt to this drain. So stay tuned. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is take the bolts here. They're in good condition. I'm just going to make sure the threads are good and clean. Just wipe them down with this paper towel. Alright, so I'm just going to throw them in, make sure they're good. Alright, they're all good to go. So we vacuumed out nicely. Alright, got the old drain flange, was left of it anyway. And what I want to do here is I'm going to show you. So here's the whole kit. Here's the whole kit, everything you need in here. Got your drain grate, adjustable trims on there, and this is basically a dummy plate, so you just pop that out, put the grate that you want in afterwards at any time. Here's the drain body itself. So it has this part, and then it comes with this piece here. So it's a tight fit, you just twist it off. This is gonna be my adapter here to get in here. So basically I'm going to use sealant to put this thing down, then it should be good to go. Okay, I'm just going to follow by this here. So it shows you how to do it in the instructions. It's really well made there. You can really just read and follow it. I'm going to do this video to show you guys anyway. So take the existing drain flange, pretty much put it over it, and then you can mark your holes there. I could tell you, this one here, this one here. Put it on here, you got these arrows there, there's 4 of them, and you just line this up on it and just mark the location so I could see where my old holes were here. So I'm just going to kind of mark them the best I can. Now using a 5/16 drill bit, you're going to drill out these holes here that I marked. Alright, now I got my 5/16 drill bit here. Let's see if they line up. This one's off a little bit. Those are good. This one gotta go to the left a little bit here. Alright, got everything in here, so I'm gonna do. So when I put this back in, I'm gonna put in the same order. That way, if one was a little bit more rounded holes or this or that, I don't know where it's gonna be. So I'm gonna put a mark here, mark there. Kind of pretty good just to be sure. So that's where you need to be. So line everything up. Okay, so I'm just checking out FlowFX's website. You want to make sure you're using approved sealant, which, well, I think weedy sealant you can use, and you can. So I'm going to use weed joint sealant here to seal everything off. Ready to apply the sealant. So I'm going right by the directions here. Go over the flange. Definitely way more than I need, but it doesn't hurt. A little bit in the back. So line on my mark. So I'm in the right spot. Definitely got enough here. Cleaning out the inside of this real good, because what's going to happen is I'm going to put glue on the outside here, and it's going to put glue in here, and it's going to go right into there. So it's important that that's clean, so that way it's a good bond. into that part, because that's what's holding down the strain is the glue right there. And that's really it. I mean, the sealant's gonna hold down this flange, and the bolt just doesn't move at all. The sealant kind of seals it, holds it down as well. The bolts hold us down too. So all in all, stuff is gonna work out well. Good and clean. There's not much room in here, or you got the camera, but I'll show you. Get in there. So with the full effects adapter and all that, I got about to the top of the flange, I got 1.25 inches. So got fresh PVC glue. Now the glue's gonna go on the outside of this. That's gonna insert into there. So on the back, we're gonna fill these cavities now, just because it's easier to do it now. And I got my mud in the room, so that way once I set this with glue, I can pack thin set under this and still not have it flash on too quickly. So we're ready to go. Prime everything up now. Just want to give the glue a good shake. Put it down there for 30 seconds.